TikTok has announced the first wave of creators set to receive payments for their videos. TikTok said they're going to spend $200 million at first. They want to scale it to $1 billion to pay creators. They got David Dobrik on this initial list, Brittany Tomlinson, Cheyenne Jazz Wise. Few others are listed here. So, somewhat surprisingly, I'm not seeing what I know to be the TikTok big names, the dancing types, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe some of those are. I'll just round it out. Justice Alexander, Michael Lee, Marissa Wren, and Ross Smith. So they come from a variety of backgrounds here. One of them, an emergency medicine doctor, Dr. Fayez. So maybe they just wanted to have some type of variety here. But they do have requirements in order to apply for this initiative. Now, I would doubt that these people listed here would be going out of their way to apply for this. I would assume they'd be approached to be part of the first group.
Kind of like a TikTok partner.
Yeah, they would catch an email like, hey, we're rolling out this fund. We want to get some names on it. We want to have some commitments. Maybe there's some paperwork. You're going to keep posting here, right? We're kind of under fire right now. We're kind of getting pressure right now. David Dobrik, you're going to keep posting, right?
Yeah, stay on our platform.
That's what the email says. And then in the future, they're going to have people apply for it. You have to be 18 years or older, meet a baseline of 10K followers, have at least 10K video views in the last 30 days, and post original content that doesn't violate the company's community guidelines. So, I mean, you have to hit certain criteria that most people wouldn't have. And even at that point, then you apply. So who knows? They could look at your content and say you're a good fit, not a good fit. $1 billion is $1 billion though, Will. And it's quite a bit of money to upstart creators when you start distributing across the platform. TikTok has been increasingly trying to appear to be more American in the face of everything that's going on with the ByteDance criticism, Donald Trump, and all the rest of it. You recall that they got the American CEO who they got from Disney.
Yep.
Very American guy.
Yeah, Kevin Mayer.
Super American.
Very, very much so.
100% American? Would you say?
I would say so, yeah.
Turns out he's not at all. It's like, what do you mean? I just got here.
He's a spy.
Yeah, he's like, I just got here. What are you talking about? Yeah. So anyway, that's the guy. It's also the name of it looks like an Olympian almost.
Yeah.
From France, by the looks of it. Anyway, so they get the American CEO. They got a brand new campus in Los Angeles where they can show how American they are. They put a big American flag at the front.
Yeah. We are American.
Yes. And they plan to hire 10,000 people in the United States. Everybody likes jobs. So, well, we'll see. The plan might be on hold, waiting to see what happens with this 45-day ban. That may never take place, depending on if there's a sale and all the rest of it. But this is one way in the short term to throw a few dollars around and appear like you're here to stay.